Congress MP Rahul Gandhi on Tuesday warned about the third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic as he released a white paper to help the government prepare for the third COVID wave.
The purpose of this white paper is not to finger point at the government. The purpose of this white paper is to help the nation prepare for the third wave that is going to come.
Addressing the media during a live session on his Twitter handle, the Congress leader said, "The whole country knows that a third wave will strike. It's clear that the management of the first and second wave of COVID was disastrous and we have tried to point out the reasons behind." Rahul Gandhi also said, "I would even go so far as to say that there might be waves even after the third wave of COVID-19 as the virus is mutating."
पूरा देश जानता है कि थर्ड वेव आने जा रही है। वायरस म्यूटेट कर रहा है और थर्ड वेव आएगी। और इसीलिए हम एक बार फिर कह रहे हैं कि सरकार को थर्ड वेव के लिए पूरी तैयारी करनी चाहिए। जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, हॉस्पिटल बेड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, दवाइयों की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो सेकंड वेव में नहीं की गई थी, उनको थर्ड वेव के लिए बिल्कुल करना चाहिए।
While criticizing the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for failing in handling the COVID situation, Rahul Gandhi said, 90% of people who died in the second wave could have been saved. Biggest reason they died was lack of oxygen. PM's tears can't wipe families' tears. His tears can't save them, oxygen can. But he didn't take it seriously as his focus was on Bengal elections.
हिंदुस्तान में सेकंड वेव में 90% लोग जो मरे हैं नीडलेसली मरे हैं। और मैंने बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स से बात की है और उनका यूनिवर्सली कहना है कि अगर आप नीडलेस डेथ को देखें, जो लोग जिनको मरना नहीं चाहिए था, जिनको सपोर्ट मिल जाता तो नहीं मरते, उसका सबसे बड़ा कारण ऑक्सीजन लिमिटेशन, कि हम उनको सही टाइम पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं दे पाए।
On releasing the white paper, the Congress leader said, "We have prepared a white paper not to point fingers but show shortcomings and hope that in the future this will be addressed. The entire country is aware a third wave is coming and the government must be prepared for this. That is our purpose," he stressed. The second COVID wave wreaked havoc in India with lakhs infected and thousands dying every day. And its peak, over 4 lakhs new cases and more than 4,000 deaths were reported per day.